Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how I achieved this half up and half down style utilizing the exact same 360 loose wave wig from last week. Yes guys, the same exact wig from last week. If you're new to my channel, on this channel we create as many looks with one wig as possible, just so to get as much mileage off our wigs as possible, because as you know, good hair does not come cheap. So yeah guys, this is this week's video. I did not leave any baby hairs out. I do not like baby hairs. That's just my preference guys. So if you happen to stumble upon my channel today, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it if you care, and comment in the description box below. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Hi my loves, we're just gonna jump right in with my Safeway air styler in the half brush attachment, and then I'm going in with my Marc Anthony Argan Oil lightweight spray, and I'm just gonna blow dry the hair with the hairbrush attachment. I'm just blow drying it moderately. I'm not trying to get it bone straight because I will be going in with a straightener. The hair straightener that I'm going to be using guys is the Fabulous Paris Steam Pure 2-in-1 straightener. This straightener does have little like teeth attached to it, like sort of like a comb, so it's straightening and doing the chase method all at once, which I think is pretty amazing if you ask me. I am still committed to doing my 1 week 3 looks videos, and this is the second look on that 360 wavy install that I did in the previous video. I'm gonna put it up in the cards for you guys. This is how the hair looks. I'm almost done. I just want to make sure that the front is super straight because the hair is naturally wavy, so I'm trying to remove all those waves at the root of the hair, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the perimeter of the hair as well. This hair is so thick and soft, it's very dense. I went from wavy to straight with just one pass. I can attest and say that I have not experienced shedding at all on this wig, besides the normal amount of shedding that you can expect from brushing hair and styling it and so on and so forth. Honestly, I just love this unit by Kiawe Hair. I have no idea where I was laying my damn sideburns, because honestly I ended up sleeping with the hair in my head. So anyways guys, I'm just putting the wig on my head right here just to make sure it's in the correct position. I'm speeding this up guys. If you guys want to see a slowed down version of how I glue my wigs down, I'm gonna link the video up in the cards and put the link in the description box below. I did do a full install last week. You guys can go check that out. This video is more sped up. I did go in with the Gots to Be Glued in the black tube as well as the free spray guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Everything I'm doing in this video is exactly the same as I did in the previous video. Go ahead and watch the 360 install for a slowed down, more descriptive video of how I lay down my wigs. I'm just gonna go ahead now and just tie down the front with my scarf for about 30 minutes just to ensure that it dries completely before I carry on with the sides. On the sides and the back, I did go in with the yellow Got to Be glued gel, as well as the free spray, because I feel like the yellow Got to Be gel is stronger than the black tube, and I'm just putting a minimal amount, as you can see. And then I'm going to go in with the free spray. Guys, if you want a more detailed version of this video of how I installed a 360, please do go and watch the video that I uploaded last week. I'm pretty much doing the exact same thing that I did in that video. Here I'm going in with a wet face cloth just to remove the excess gel that is looking white and slimy and the perimeter of my head. And then once I'm completed doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my scarf once more and let the hair in the front and the sides behind the ears dry down completely before I glue down the back. This time around I did install this wig on my own, so I'm just flipping over so as not to disturb the front, and I am just checking where I want to position the wig at the back, and I will be placing the glue just where my hair ends, like so. I'm going in with the yellow Got to Be glued, and then I'm going to end off with the free spray, and then we are just going to use our hands to hold the wig down for a bit. And then I did also use my hair dryer a little bit, and just to finish off, I'm gonna just go ahead and tie it and go to bed. Okay, I'm not going to bed right now, but I'm gonna sleep with the scarf on my head. You don't have to do this. This is just what I'm doing today. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I want to film this video the next day when there's more lighting, and so that I can give you guys the best quality possible. And it's the next day, and we are about to unwrap the scarf to see how things are looking underneath. Everything is looking pretty glued down and solid. It's not going anywhere. Guys, you literally don't have to glue the back. You don't have to do the entire 360, but I just wanted to have options because I am doing a half up, half down style. You do not have to glue the back down. I was just being so extra. Here I am brushing that hair out, guys. Do you see what I meant by just gorgeousness? Like, I just love this hair. I love it to bits. I'm going in with my hot comb just to sleek the hair down, because it needs to look as flat as possible, because you're doing a half up, half down hairstyle. I'm gonna go ahead with my rat tail comb and just cut out the section in the front that I'm gonna be tying down. So that's what I'm doing right now. Ooh, I don't know what I was watching, but it was interesting. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go in with my rat tail comb and cut out the part in the front. Then I am going to be tying up, and as y'all can see, that whiteness is still there, but that's okay. When you're working with gel, you are bound to experience some of that, especially Got to Be gel. So just do what I've been doing since the beginning of the video with my little face cloth, a damp face cloth, and just wiping it off. Or I usually use alcohol wipes as well. That works pretty good too. And you guys can see the lace is bleached. Absolutely lovely. You guys need to go check out the video where I show you guys how I bleach my lace and also how to eradicate over bleached knots. Again, I'm gonna link all of those videos in the description box below. Guys, I am totally multitasking here, doing my hair and feeding my son his cereal. It's breakfast. Just combing through the front section with my rat tail comb just to ensure that it is laying super flat. And to help with that, I am going to go in with a L'Oreal wax in the front. I am going to I'm going to write somewhere on the screen what exact wax that I'm using. And that really just helps the hair lay down as flat as it possibly can. The combination of the wax and the hot comb really help the hair lay flat. You guys are going to see that in a moment. Over here, I'm just going in with my old toothbrush, and I did put some wax on it, and then I'm just brushing the hair in the direction that I wanted to lay, and using some freeze spray as well so that it just sets in that position. And then we're just gonna go in with our Fabulous Steam Pure 2-in-1 straightener, and we're just gonna go through the hair and achieve the look that we want to achieve. I thought I wanted to bump the ends, and then I realized that I didn't want to bump the ends anymore, or I just wanted to bump the ends just a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the hair as well as the bottom. Guys, I am working on making my videos more straight to the point. I talk a lot, I like to talk, I love to explain, so bear with me. Last week's video was about shy of 30 minutes, and we're at 17 minutes this week, so I shaved off 10 minutes off my video, so I'm pretty proud of myself about that. Look at how lovely the hair looks, guys. Oh my god, guys, can you believe this hair is actually a loose wave? This is crazy. Over here, you're just gonna grab your loose powder that matches your skin, and you're just gonna pat it on the lace in the front to give it a more natural, seamless look. I got this trick from my favorite YouTuber, Dominic A. I absolutely love her videos, and I tried it and it worked, and hey, here I am. We're gonna give credit where it's due. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna go in and lay my baby hairs for real this time. And we're done. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video. And of course, share this video if you care, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next Sunday. Bye.
Hi my loves, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video.